Hello guys. My people. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. How not you guys? Hello my people. Oh yes, my beautiful people in the house. How you guys? How you doing? Welcome, my people in the house. Hello, my people. It's good evening to you all, guys. Good evening, everybody, to you. Good evening, my lovely people. How not there? I hope not there. Fine. Good evening, everybody. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, my people. Oh yes, my lovely people. How not there? I hope not there. Fine. Oh yes, please share this video, guys. If you are coming in, please don't fail to share this video, my lovely people. Please don't fail, my beautiful people. Oh guys, I plug this thing for here so that this will work. Okay. Hello guys. Yes, I'll plug up for that, please. They go good pass. And then come my people. Come guys. It is too much, guys. I'm coming, my people. Okay, so guys, please share this video. Good evening, everybody. This is Vera TV program in the building. Please, my people. So my beautiful people, I'm not there. I hope I'm not there. Fine, my people. So as they come, I want you to stay. When they talk, they sort of do the work, my beautiful people. Oh yes, guys. They come. So my beautiful people, good evening everybody. Good evening. Please share this video, guys. So I'm coming in. Please share my people. Share my lovely people. Oh yes, so my people. I will not there. I hope not there for my lovely people. So share this video, guys. So my beautiful people, I hope not there. I drum this man. Share my people, my open in the house. So I greet to my beautiful people as you are coming in. Please share and make sure you share, my people. Oh yes, I have a lot of work to do here, but it's time. So for the boss, most person. Oh yes, my people, how not there? I hope not there fine. I hope not they good, guys. I hope you people are fine. Yes, my people, how not there? They come back. So my people, they come make a 3 turn person. They do like this then. So if they do the rest, they go for them. They come. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, my people. So I from this one through because hello, please share this video before we start with the good there. Share. Good evening, everybody. So my beautiful people, I greet to my appreciate you all. I know say yesterday I was on live video about this lady, baby elephant. And they come my people. They come because I want to wash all the plates. So guys, I'm coming. Don't go. So guys, I hope not do fine. I hope not do well. Oh, this will come over to be a break. So my lovely people, I greet now. So please share this video, guys. My reply to Esther. Yeah, my reply to her, because I did a video yesterday. So today she can't come outside begin the school. You understand me? So please, as you are coming in, share the video, share. No, I did this one. Will they talk on the ghost most before I will round up? They just only plate and one wash. Okay, guys, please. Only plate and one wash. They will not have full time. But if I not do one, I'm not going to feel done today because time doesn't go. So I need to just start it like this first. Yeah, so my people. Now, good evening. Now, Esther. Now, see my topic for there. Now, Esther be my topic this evening. That person only. Yes. So yesterday, guys, I can't do a video. I did a video yesterday about Esther man. Yeah. I did a video yesterday about Esther man, guys. So when I do that video, I send message to Esther man, make him leave me for waste. Hello guys, please share this video. Share man and not verse. I want you to quickly watch this paper at a time. Back, I not go take much time. So if you are just coming in, you can still share, guys. So now I can't got to do the video yesterday. They call me people. So they okay like this. So when I do the video yesterday, I can't tell Esther make a husband. Say anytime when I put picture for story, the man they always come. Whether na Esther or me, I don't know. So I got to send the message so that if Esther not there aware, so that he go tell his husband make he leave me for waste, because it can be Esther or it can be anybody. So I don't really know who he be. But my mind say now the man. So when I sent the message yesterday, this morning Esther come outside begin dey talk rubbish for YouTube. Esther come, I don't fair tell you before. Me now woman of my word when it be say. I don't tell you what me I want tell you. So my people, I can say anytime I put picture on my story, not today, it started since last year, guys. Yes, it started since last year when it be saying when I put picture on my story, this man will go there, he will go there baba me. Anything I put on my story. Good evening, please share this video, guys. Share my people. So I want to quickly watch this plate. We will get chance to sit down talk about the time. Just want to quickly do it. So I got to tell, come outside yesterday, send message to Esther to tell a man make he leave me for waste. My people, when I did the video yesterday to tell Esther, make Esther man make it do, you may not follow me up and down. Is that a bad thing for somebody to understand? Because I don't really know. They come, guys. They come, my people. Look this way so that. Okay. So, is it a bad thing for me to tell Esther? Say, Esther, oh, call your man in order. Tell her make he leave me for waste, because at a time I don't see the reason why I go they put something for story, of which yesterday when I show my people, I show it and I bring the evidence out. It's not a thing when I can't use mouth to talk, say okay, maybe I want to spoil the name or I want lie. So see me so on social media, I don't lie against people. I know they lie. Anything I say, go and find out. You will see that me, I know they lie. So I know they put lie for person. I say maybe because the person matter they verse me or I they verse for person. I'll call the lie for a head. Maybe people for believe me. No, 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 no. So yesterday I come down to bring the evidence out, show people. So make they help me tell Esther. Make it tell the man, make it leave me for waste. So Esther come o. If I bought fie kule la bio gon bijou na shawo ni gbe ma oko. If I bought fie kule lu bijou a bio gon bu. Esther we oh fine diene. If ha man na we Jamie me we je we ga we ni me almost to bu we Jamie na. Wo na maji. We wa ale. Ya ma shi we don nu any boyo ni. We wa ale. Since you don't have brain, if I were you as a woman, as I did that video, if I were you, what I would do is that, my man, if you really be say not be send, they really send you come. My man, what do you go they do for? They see video when they send for me, oh. As for me, oh, because they say not be by grove, you sense, she not get. It's for you to say, man, what do you really go they do for? They ask him. If I lie, or maybe now you they use them, I don't really know. But ask your man. If wait till I come as I can't talk yesterday, if na lie, ask him. Because I know now for this social media, social lie they lie up and down. Before now, of course, the changer for me, just now. They lie, they go, they talk, say, hey, I be get what Vera they do. Ask God to come outside to come full now because nothing not tell the work. I mean here. If not really you now, make people for no, make you for stop. Really? I put a picture on my story yesterday. The man not both come. Esther man not both come again because I don't come here and for outside. Smelly bekus. Metam when you make when only your pocket, you know, only your strength now you know, only I get passport. Where you make become when me a mash wear down the gym, you know. Not be say go come. Yeah, ugbe mama can boo eh. Ugbe mama je. Ugbe mama can boo. O Vera. When I get a Vera over, where you make oh God. Oh God. Oh, where to me. So my people, if I were her yesterday, I got Mommy Millie, good evening, ma. Good evening, you are welcome. Please share this video, guys. If I were her yesterday, I got to say, see what is so and so talk. My man, what do you want to do for there? If I were you, I will not come outside and do any video to reply any talk. You can't come outside and we can share one on mama. I share with those buggy. I share with those but shame on you. Get where I'm going. So I do that video to tell her, to tell him, ma, please share this video, guys. To tell him, ma, to leave me for waste. Stop following me around. So stop following me around before now call changer for me. Is that hard for you to understand? Baby elephant. Is that hard for you to understand? Tell your man to stay away from me. You should not be following me around anytime I put picture. Now you go fair, go there, view me, they hide. For what now? Now wait till I come outside talk yesterday. Oh. Please share this video. She did not come outside. They say she come outside this morning, begin the talk rubbish, they sort her hair. Esther, respect yourself. Shall you see, I screenshot her. This one will be say they lie for my husband head. Ask your man. And everything I said, I didn't lie. I not add, I not subtract. Ask him since last year. So if now you they do because you be jealous type, now you be. I come outside last year because I want to do 1 year anniversary. The moment this lady saw me, I want to do 1 year anniversary, she go they print banner. Banner when she not print for how many years? Oh, as your sister want to do anniversary, this woman you begin they run the print banner. He just see write her for it. This is say he want to do anniversary. The people got the answer say, which anniversary she want to? She not fit talk anything. They say anniversary or something. I want to do anniversary or so and so. Esther mami pata Esther not see one thing. Baby elephant. She not see anything. Talk say now what she want to be this. So when I say I want to do 1 year anniversary, my people, I rather than say I want to do 1 year anniversary on YouTube because the way people attack me not even expect I go spend 1 year or talk less of Monday. So I thought okay, I'm going to celebrate it. I can celebrate it before my birthday. That was on the 14th of November. Can you imagine immediately this woman just saw me say, I want to do anniversary. She just run like birds where they fly. She said she they do anniversary. Oh, She they do something, no. Now say they do you for December. Now so she take put her. Please share this video, guys. Now so she take put her. Come on, people. Now so she take put her. She say she they do something. Please share this video, my people. Now so she they do something for December. She can't get to the follow me up and down, guys. You understand? Esther, now they beg you. Take your time. That video I did yesterday, ask your man, and I screenshot him. And my mama felt notice. Me not felt notice. And my mama felt notice last year, as I said before. Say, who be this person? Because you know they like her. Sometimes when you see picture, you go like and say, you go press like, you go show for the story. You know they press like, you they follow me up and down. Why you go anytime I put picture, now Esther man go go there. Esther va bolera vi jouer ba bi o gon bi jouer bi o gon gbe monu bi e bi va bola we go to war. Who we fian Esther bi to gbe o. I hama we not they look only your chest too. And you na suited for a year now you know no say the we ga gbu we boede. Ye tama we no when you hu. Because if now you don't come outside now, they add Maggi and salt. They add Maggi and salt to the journal. You see, say I add Maggi and salt. No. Now, see, it happen, I started talking. Since we when if I ball like you and I share one who go and bijou. No fear woman, no fear woman, no boy, vwe. Oh, you made a diet now, you did that far vuvu like trailer. I share what those book who go on bijou. Where are we go? Metamu when where I let I see a word Duisburg. I see a go find men where don't sleep with Vera for Deutschland. You don't go say except mama. Oh who where? I see a one in the area. I see a one in the area. Kissy. I see a word Duisburg. Shame on you. Go find me. You in fact go find her. Since how many years? Whether you go see any man we go say you beg who have Vera and no go push. I see a word. Don't use me compare yourself. Smelly bekus. Smelly Toronto. Smelly tantarata. Peperepe. Smelly Toronto. Smelly bekus. Smelly Toronto. Smelly Toronto. I share what Duisburg. What gear. E hotel ever one ya agbasha with Duisburg. And you come with my father-in-law tell me say the girl where for go they do ashishi for Duisburg for them. He said the boku for that place. Say I bet not get friends for that area. May they not go spoil you. Rather for one can mama. Or we one. I want share war. You will tell them can I agbasha with na lie. Come tell me say this. I we one yana agbasha will save more money no daffy and the son carry picky for their husband. They do ashishi. Say now Duisburg be their depot. Wow, please share this video, guys. I dey wash plate, but I'm still talking. I see a wo pemperempe. I see a wo pomporopo. Only two pikin. Uye vawa. Me na ni. No wonder they are calling you baby elephant. No wonder they are calling you baby Ellie. Baby Ellie. Baby Ellie Papa. Baby Ellie Popo. Baby Ellie Pempe. Baby Tarara. Shawo bijou. Shawo ni jouer avec quelqu'un. Va bon là jouer avec. Ogun bijou ada. Can you imagine my people? Oh? Tell your husband to leave me alone. Is it a crime? That means now you send your man come. Tell your man not to be following me around, my people. My people, is it, did I say anything bad? That means that they say you come, you can cause quarrel, or they say you come, you say your man may come be trapped or what? Tell your husband to stay away from me. Stop following me on my story. I'm not talking another thing. Tell your man to stop following me on my story anytime I post. Wait till they look me for, wait till they search for my body for Abby, wife, no good bijou, and share one on mama. Can you imagine? Why are you getting your cow? I see me see palaba. Please share the video, guys. Is that easy for her to understand? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Should let me be. Only log baby elephant. I didn't ask for much. Tell your man not to be following me around. Period. I did not lie, and I bring out the evidence because I don't like whereby if I talk, so people will say I lie, bring and come. No, I bring it out for people to see because I don't want. I will be saying something. Somebody will say I did lie. Let me answer because we don't know where they go. Mommy, hope you are welcome, my lady. Please share the video, guys. So somebody even called me, say you need to be very careful. Say it can be even this baby elephant. It can be Esther. You will not know. She can be the one. Oh, I said okay, no problem. You understand? But where's your shower of this buggy? I see a what pepe rempe. I see a what pompo. Mehamu wene. Where I when he had me a mash wet down with Gemini. Now anyway, you know be saving for months. Because when I come outside yesterday, not be me talk say your bekus they smell. Not be me talk say where we are. Not be me talking. The record is still there. The video and everything is still there, guys. I'm not the one that say bekus is smelly. I'm not the one that say it's more where and in dog smelly cassava. For all the social media, you and your man is the most worst couple we have on media. That today they will come to disgrace themselves, tomorrow they will say they don't settle, next month they will disgrace themselves, the other day they will say they don't settle. You won't use me, look yourself. You your jam rock. Oh, jam rock. Okay. You jam rock. They come, guys. I'm coming. Somebody is. You understand? My people, can you imagine? I said, okay, tell your man to leave me alone. Is that hard for her to understand? Tell your man to leave me alone. Now she come outside, they cry, yo, because I don't catch them for evil. We are way to waiting, medicine. If you say you they fly, me not they fly. But before Abraham, they were men now. He pay you. He shock you. No, what do I quit calling me beg anything? Idiot fellow. I shall no wo. I shall no more. Shall need here. Good evening, welcome, Jana. They come my good people. Can you imagine? I didn't say much. I said, Esther, go and do diet. Now that people they write and say, now so red meat in the shop, overfeeding. Why your bekus no go smell? Smelly bekus we no wear. Can't me go anywhere now. If na me talking, say your bekus they smell. Now your man talk say your bekus they smell. So you are on social media, you talk about people as well. So we still need to talk about your own Ashewo of Duisburg. Ashewo of Duisburg. Anybody commit rubbish, let me know me and block your head. Ashewo of Duisburg. Even if be frappant as you are. Ashewo no mama. Na me want to shine. No, if you use me to shine, man. You know if you use me to shine. Can you imagine? I said, okay, please, oh, tell your man to leave me alone because I don't know why. No, there are some things you see. It was this strange. Eh? Now wait till I talk. I said, okay, tell your man to leave me alone. Me not they follow me up and down. Before people will go see go lie, say you get waiting your man because you be liar. The first one want follow you argue what. You need to first go. You go first go carry foul these people for me because of home okay, you be liar. Please check, guys. Now liar she be. So who want follow baby elephant argue any word, eh? You need to go carry foul this people for your neck, begin the explore and they go. If not be so, story, run, story, run. So I got to come aside because see all presenter we have on social media. No man yeah like your own. Now your man they follow people platform they go. They now person not near you. Monica man not near you. Begin come outside they talk say na Monica man. You not see any evidence. You say na mona amwe bogbe era visual. Your man now Crocro is following me on my story, guys. Anytime I put picture on my story on Facebook, this man always come to every time. He started this since last year, guys. Since last year, I show you. Because me not be like you know when they lie, especially Esther. Who lie, rich you not their life. Eh? They come, guys. It's here. Huh? Don't know why. Is it not your man? Esther, not be this. Not be this. Story now be this. Who have eyes we see now. This is story. This is your man. Now your man be this. Crow. This is your man. Okay, now I go in profile. Tell your man to stop following me. You did there they fight blind fight. Can you imagine? Huh? Please share, guys. Share this video, guys. I be not be your man be this. Baby elephant. Not be your man be this. Not be your profile be this. That for when I no gun bou no gun bijou na shower ba bola ijou egbe. No gun bijou. Maybe not be. Maybe I dey lie. Why will I lie? I know. I see play your record, make your head still correct. It is say I get work. It is say me I get work. Yes or no? Please, guys, share this video. I'm just tired. Tell your man to stay away from me. Period. We are not quarreling. For you to come outside and say, or call your man, tell and say, see, wait till you hear. Oh. No. Usegbo aye wagbina bo go share war of those bob. It's a simple thing. If I'm lying, if I did not show anything now, she will still come out and say, she is lying, no. She is lying, no. I said, okay, I need to show people. So that they can see. So that will not look as if I'm lying. So I show her. At the end now, she is there trying to lie again. I don't understand this woman. I don't understand. Please, guys, please share this video. May they play your record when your man they curse your mama. Now the man they let curse on the mama, they let curse on. Tell your man not to be following me around. He's out your Esther to understand. Why are you going to I shot it before you can see. I screenshot it. It's not your man go to do my trouble. If I'm lying against your man. Not first, not second, not third, not fourth, not fifth. Now he's telling you that why did I say it will go down to business? You are better like you will go down business. Ask fear more of this book. I won't go that visual, Esther. I won't go that visual. you mad, they tell you, mama. I call an argument, eh? He said the man don't drink, he said the man will call the move. Drop down the song. He said mama won't go that busy. He said mama, like mama is the focus, he will let us on mama. I'm with Bobby. Jesus. I won't go that busy. And when we're doing, do my hair. It's not where 1,000 pounds. 2 people, whoa.
By
My first marriage. So my people like the thing, the evidence is there with you. Answer. Esther, carry me go where you want carry me go. If I lie for your man head, no go boo. I share one no mama. I see a word Duisburg. When we hear phone, we don't have a big biraja, big phone. No, yeah, no be take go carry this boy come. After enough ashishi, what you do? White smelly bekus. After enough ashishi, leave am mommy hope I don't block him. I don't block that one. No, me I know they follow the argue. Who come rubbish? You don't need. Who you come here because na him fake account. Who come here rubbish? Don't come here, please. Go. Who come here rubbish? They know how they talk. My hand that they look comments. Before you all know, I'll block your head. Period. You understand? So I got talk for yesterday. Esther said which matter they talk. Don't come here. What? Okay, I'm coming. He said which matter they talk to. That means me not supposed to talk. I'm coming, please. Which matter they talk? I'm not supposed to talk. As looking at bull. You say they fly. That your wish she go kill you. As when you almost to bull. Obviously. Wish you pick. We see on social media. I they come for you. Me I fed through with my washing first. Me then where? Me I fed through with my washing. I see you. After you don't use your light, do I say we finish? Now single mother now you can't take edge. Now me you want to put your frustration for your body. You know if you put your frustration for my body, man. No. Can't anxiety. Don't say can't anxiety. No chance. Can't anxiety. No chance. Okay. So please. So now, so my people. So I thought that to do the video yesterday. I thought to say, Mona and me tell them we did there now. They sit down for live video. The TOT they smell for them. If pretend now say no say now, that means now you send the man come. It's TOT they smell for them. Bath, you not go bath. Some are there now. Women they bath, they clean up. She not go see she and stay clean up. She did there. They come, guys. She did there. They do anyhow. Oh yes, guys. So please share the video, guys. I'm coming. So now you know my people. You understand? You say your kpekus they smell. Not be me talking. Now your mouth talk and say your kpekus they smell. Okay now. Whether now you call they send your mouth they come oh. I don't know because not be you go send now. If I wear you, also please okay my mom. I don't need that. I made me talk come outside. I don't need it. Stop spying me. That is called spy. I don't need that. I made me talk come outside. You no what done okay? Okay, I be got another one you want here for inside. If you got another one you want here, you have time out. For another one, the one you want here, I will tell you that time you go get rest of mind that time. But all life well, you don't know what done okay. Tell your man to leave me alone. Period. I don't know why some people is like this. You are coming out talking rubbish. Wanna see me see wahala on my people. Esther man, they follow me up and down for Facebook. They follow me up and down. Tell your man to leave me alone. Tell your man to leave me alone. Please share this video, guys. Is there something big, or you don't understand the English when I speak? It's like maybe you don't understand. Your man, they follow me. Not only you be presenter won't get on social media. No, we have a lot of presenter women self na many pass for this social media. How many times now don't see men like my man now go on another platform, go they comment, or you never even comment from our finish. I'm not go your platform, call they comment, or call they check your picture when you put for story every time. Anytime I put picture, he started it last year. Ask your husband if na lie, they lie. Mona see me see begeo. Ask your man if Vera is lying against him, yes or no, and I screenshot it, I bring it out. Can you imagine? Now people matter. Oh, my own, I can't cry and say, I beg, Esther, tell your mommy not to follow me up and down. If I put picture, you go there. If I put picture, where do you come to view me for? Where do you define for my body? Esther, wait, okay, now you send a call. What gear that for it? Okay, that means now you tell water my when all day. Because that water my, as I say this thing, you're supposed to tell your man, say, why you gonna do this kind of thing now? Huh? If somebody come outside and say, Vera, I see your man, oh, if they comment or if they come, they look all my story picture all the time. Okay. My man, why are you doing that? Stop doing it. You know she's a presenter. Maybe she don't want it. Stop it. And this one is not that maybe when you see my video, they like Camo. Or maybe if you see my picture, I mean, maybe they press love and like. No. It will just go there, pium. It will just go there, pium. Anywhere I go, it's following me up and down. Anytime I put picture on my story, if I lie, call your husband, ask him. If I Vera lie against him, anytime I put picture, now yesterday I put for my story, because he don't hear this matter now, he not go again. I want it to stop. That is the reason why I come outside to speak. I don't need them. If they're my follower and people when love me, when they follow me, that one a different thing. Or sometimes some men do check my story picture. No man, but not all the time. You go to the use and tell them me. Not all the time. Anytime I put story for picture, put picture for story. You know, I push every time. I put picture for story. This man will they run up. Now, so many times it will be the first person. Many times it will be the first person to check my picture. I be ti agioro gon gbiju Esther. Esther ba bola we gba bi to fianwu. What I say is too hard for you to understand, that to tell your man to stay away from me. Period. Tamada phone on some of Bobekun. Here. Igbo go say here. And wow. I don't know say now you send and come. Now me come no say now Esther send the man come. Oh, wanna come here. Now Esther send the man come. Me not know before. And now I know. It's good to speak out to my people. It's very good to speak out. Here. Here. So now right here. Oh, wanna come here. Oh. This is called right here. So now be the team, my lovely people. Then she now come outside and be talking nonsense this morning. If I ball with good money, maybe when I beauty, I to your fian with you want money. Or money may be when I put fian with you who would have yet them woman who are bell. When all whoever ball with a money may be. It's like a noise like a dinner and then I hear Muslims. Where I be where look at how you breathe. You see, you the breathe when like pig. Egbe mara wo hospital man gwejo. Egbe mara we hospital man gwejo no ya gba o gbu. Me we had on my frustration when it will be sick. And we are mama smelly goat. I meant the one that say it. Other phone would be I was smelly bekus. Many times I've heard my man on social media and call the talk. If your man a responsible man, if your man is a responsible man, come on social media and say your bekus they smell. You still have the guts and the man talking to better people when he better pass you. Mommy, I need to go jouer. Mommy jouer. Mais non que les moins bog jouer jouer ma gueule coco essayer. You don't know what call respect. You don't know what called respect. So stop fooling yourself around. They do now they supported me. If now my man now Now they do what Esther man they do, so you go see her. On social media platform no go hear what. If you do video, go they do video. If she do video, she go they do video. If she do video, she go they do video. Because why? Now devil says Lord till they run against them now. Tell your man to stay on his lane. Now they pay you for body. Tell your man to stay on his own. If they pay you, you are not coming out insulting me. For what? Not try am o. I don't know whether you got whoever Jamie in the time I went. Oh, whoever now we be must mash words on. Don't dare me. They warn you now. You don't want here. To say you just I resemble woman where they use one hand till they push. You got whoever. You got whoever. Uma woman no go there. It make sure you go walk a cabo. At time again. They warn you now. You don't want here. The thing pay you. He pay you reach your bone marrow. Is that not a disgrace? A presenter husband. You call yourself a presenter. Why you would follow man, another woman this thing up and down? Not be say, okay, me and you not friend. Or we they play. Or you they see my pictures. Okay, sometimes I like your own as a woman or you like my own. No. Nothing like that. Then you see send your man to be following me up and down. It was as someone who can go. Ora gbo e sa ga gbiju ora gbe iwe gbo mo o awa zon ki agbasan ni iwe gbo ma won see e just I get time for those that your ashishi when you don't do for Duisburg do a share one mama e ye gbe ta igbo e prostitute a share wo reason share one mama a share wo do ma blah blah ora se gbe kia wa morion. I said, baby, now wow, who said to you, hey, yeah, we are smelly pig. Up my banner. Up my egg banner. What time you come and jet dead be all over? You must stop up, mamma. You talk, I jet dead be safe. Esse va, ha. I mean, who could me do all the big when you're oh, bell. I don't know why I wave you. You use until the Tory for social media. The time we will do something, you use until they call people up and down. Maybe again, me ya koya ba we me. Again, me ya koya metwe no wa me. I see a war of Duisburg. I hate when somebody they go. If you do go say any no good. When they your own mother, you bite your man, you not rich. You see, carry your own son, you bite them because I zonke. You bite your own mind, no rich. You see, carry your own picking where you are going to Azema and Egbe, Azema Monobie. She's the baby elephant, Esther, see, carry your picking on a dark coin, bite her for head. Jesus Christ. Sorry, darling. He carry Pikiko in the mash and down. He put it down and say, well, why are you biting everybody? Are you an animal? May I play? Wazaga. She they look for viewer. I beg, but I wanna not subscribe to her YouTube channel. I wanna not subscribe to Mommy Loves YouTube channel. Yeah. Mona here. You go feel enter there. Not be me talking. Shame my disgrace. They say not be they talk they go. You don't ever see hear me talk disgrace myself or hear my mouth for the disgrace ourselves for the the glass from here. I have a baby father. I show my marriage picture. I explain everything on that video. Now she's out today because why? She say this, that. They look for viewer. I beg, good. I'm gonna not subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'm gonna not subscribe to Mommy Loves YouTube channel. Begin don't start, begin. No. Sorry, Daddy. So I don't talk away more. Rest. Off the video. What are the off the video, video not very off. Delete it. You see what it is? Delete it. It's will be a while by one. Delete it. Video not green off for this. They don't say God want disgrace person. So are you an animal? Hey! Why are you biting Papa? Okay, as this woman is lying against me. So you like it? You want to first enjoy Papa first? Okay, what did I do? Guess it, I was doing my live video. It's already why it's come here. What if you use accent to chip Papa inside your eye? Hi! She like her. So you are like your father? No. I hate you from today. You are going to leave this house. Hey! Now see, I see when they take out bikini. They say bikini will come up for house. On that age, we never even reach anywhere. I see when they take out bikini. I'm tired. It's okay. I don't want this marriage again. I'm tired today. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Where am I? It is a right to drink. The bite. What I was saying is the truth. I defend myself. He bites my head. My head, oh, my belly, my head, oh. He bites my head. So.
Mama, why do you treat like this and behave like this? What's the
I hope you don't bite your eyeball.
If I drink,
drop
why are you biting everybody?
Jesus, biting everybody.
this woman's life is lying against
You do it tomorrow now.
I want to do it today. Already almost 300 people was watching.
Hey.
Do it tomorrow.
He said he go buy person. Hey.
It's okay.
He said he man go pack him up tomorrow.
I don't want to.
Yeah, here for say kia he said the cassava too small, you know they do again more. Esta kia aye kia tie bonwe. Asie wo Duisburg. Aye kia aye tie bonwe ko we ya like kia. Umi ori ya we. You know the sister they do another thing, but if you reach cassava, he said the man cassava too small, make carry the going no need them again, no need them. Waiting concern matter exchange of word one they talk. Concern cassava. It's not that the man talk about bekus or maybe your bekus or the no. The man never talk about bekus. They are just exchanging word. Well, after a dog biting their head, finish. Go to ship. You know what if the person mind? You understand? What if the person mind? It's not that they are arguing of your kpekus they did this, your kpekus you know they enjoy them, or your kpekus tight, or your kpekus too logo. No, there was nothing like that. They were arguing. The next is say, "Oh, we kia we keregbe Jerry no gun gbelu waiva. Oh, we kia we keregbe." My people, we have been on this social media since how many years? How many presenters, couples, come outside, call the food themselves, are these two very one doing, disgracing themselves every day? Couple when they bully themselves. This one go bully this one today, that one go bully this one tomorrow. Please share this video, guys. The other day, this one go bully this one. The other day, that one go say this one pekus. That one, the other one go say cassava too small. It's not that the man was talking about pekus or TOT and cassava. Oh, no. Suddenly, Sister Nana's twitch to your cassava too small. You know they do again, carry they go. Now be this so.
And now we're the old world.
Say go
I don't
for the old world.
Snap it, please, Abel. Snap it, because I will not see you.
Snap it, no problem. Because it is what you do now.
Wait, where is this normal picture?
You don't know any picture again.
So, Casey, you are the one doing this. Jesus. Casey.
Till they talk. I see what.
See, you are laughing.
I can't go back in. She never see anything. Penny, I got you now. I don't want to know me. When the man the same one go finance rent.
I have a baby father. I show my marriage picture. I explain everything on that video. Now she's out today because why? She say this. They look for viewer. I beg. But Mona don't subscribe to her YouTube channel.
They don't subscribe.
Mona don't subscribe to
Consign
Mommy
you.
Loves YouTube channel. Yeah.
Jealousy. Consign you.
No. Sorry, Daddy. So I don't talk away, Mona. Imagine that. Rest. Off the video. Off it. Delete it. You see what it is? Delete it. It's okay. Delete it.
Please share, guys. It's not good for this time. First, when the couple is
So, are you an animal? Why are you biting Papa like
Okay,
that?
as this gay woman is lying against me, so you like it?
You want to first enjoy Papa first?
Okay, what did I do?
Your live video.
Casey, I was doing my life video. It's already is. Why is
What
come here?
if you use accent to treat Papa inside your eye?
okay now.
Eh?
Please,
So you are like your father.
No.
I hate you from today. Go. You are going to leave this house.
Hey.
Snap this, please.
Okay, that woman
You
come.
see,
Snap it for me. Snap it for me.
This woman. I'm tired. It's okay. I don't want to surrender again. I'm tired today.
Relax and around.
I hate you. I hate you. I defend myself.
He bites my head.
Jesus, he's
Why are you
not.
biting everybody?
He's betting everybody. Oh.
So
Mona call the blah blah.
He bites my head.
Mona call blah blah. They bury everybody.
if I drink,
You know, yeah.
Then why are you
The
biting
man say,
everybody?
why you dey drink like this? Why you drink?
this woman's life is lying against
You
you.
do it tomorrow now.
I want to do it today.
Deny that she don't
Already
drink.
almost 300 people
Who
was
drink? Leave
watching
that
me.
woman. Not
Do
they
it
don't drink.
tomorrow.
You call the
I
poor
want
press
to
people
do it
children.
today. It's funny. It's okay. While we're back where I don't want. I'm tired. Mama, I need to check work. I'm tired. I don't want again. Yeah, now we're the old world. I don't tire already. Snap it, please, Abel.
Hey, Esther with cassava, sha.
Wait, where is this?
You know, they have you something. They talk about cassava.
So, Casey, you are the one doing this.
Who are you great time?
Jesus. Casey.
For Jama, you don't marry 2 husbands. The genuine woman be vane. When we went 2 children, 2 fathers.
You are laughing.
Shame on you.
Why did you bite me and bite Papa?
Because why you people are
Then you say
devil?
you see the almost see.
She
You
not
know
fit
what?
deny you. The son they ask her say,
What's more important, the language of
see oh, the son now is asking, they ask her now say, why you they bite and they bite if we bad papa? He say yes, why they go? Like really? This kind of person saying a good mother. Good mother. You and your man get argument, you know, you they pull, you use teeth, you have feel or we will gag or we will azenihi azokpa or manotiopa or do baking we doni. You and your man get argument, no issue. He still sit down. Hioi. They and they go. Hioi. If they and they go. So now this kind of person I go see get man see the total person up and down. What do you call get? Why even we get tie agbihun no go agbihun no mama. When I wear we ti puhe to agbe o azago gun gbiju e. Iju we me kan amu ebogbe. Ogun amos to gbiju we. Oh. Many mention we am ebogbe na him right mention we am ebogbe. But iju we no why ragbon no gun amu boy agbiju e. Oh, fine. Really? Ogun amu boy agbiju we. Oh, my big mommy. Big mommy, you are welcome. But what vision, mommy? You are welcome, mommy. Morige. Good evening, ma. Please share the video, my lovely people. So, no, say. As you can see, that they don't like the truth. And they come, guys. Now, carry this thing. My mom go sit down. No, say me, I get time. Well. Me, I don't wash my plates down. I dey get time. Me pork money. Up me measure that way. Don't wash my plates. Okay. Oh yes, guys. They come, my people, make a go and reach that side, guys. Yeah. Let me off this my kitchen lights, yeah. Let me pack it, guys. Okay. Plug it. No, don't come here. Don't come here, please. Okay. I want me the fan, they blow me, guys. Oh yes, my people. Oh yes, my people. We come, my people. Oh yes, my people. I'm not there. I don't true because let me find the blow, guys. So now, so my lovely people, I know say she's a type of person when it be say she know they ever take correction. No, your boy take a correction. So today, me not even know say she even do any video anyway. I don't know. Understand? I don't know say she do video. So now later somebody come send and give me say, what when you talk yesterday, she did on whether YouTube, yeah, now YouTube the best for send and come. Say she did on YouTube begin they talk rubbish. Because why? She don't want truth. When they talk truth, they vex her for body, they pain her like say tomorrow, not say. You understand? She don't want truth. Look at the movie now. The movie and if Ilo and the wife. When I see what they talk for social media, now they are all cool pass. But this kind of Esther now go do now that they supported the movie. Lolekia now they supported the movie. No go na gbeluwa here. Lolekia now they supported the movie. All of them now they are supporting. No, go and drop it. You will fall down. Give it to me. Give it to me. You will fall down. You understand? All of them now they support, make it the Lakers for a young Ilo body. Okay, that good or bad. Wait till Ilo go doing is okay. At the movie, they'll begin to cost the man. Okay, because the man last time the man thought say he don't fair wash and come off for body. Say no, be picking. Please share the video, guys. Not be picking. So at the end, they not see stop. They not see make peace with their own father. At the movie, no one condemn war. If another person go now they go take do topic for 2 years, you know, go finish. Your own woman now they cost you, your in-law, your wife now they join you. They think a better thing. The useless Lolekia na nekwemu share one of mama. He writes, they say he did their back for this matter when he did grind, he got their back. Like really, the worst part of your own now Lolekia, they don't know where you for come. You not be Ishan, you not be Bini, you not be this thing. Mama can wekere. You understand? You not fair want make Bini and Ishan fair get peace before. Oh, sorry, sit down. Oh, come. Sorry, come, sit down. Sorry. Oh, come. Sit down. Sorry, come. Sorry. Don't do that. Oh, you come down? Sorry. Who beat her? Who touched my dad? It's okay. Now sit down. You understand? Lolekia say he carried them for head. Say the matter now you go carry put for head because you know say they're full of carrying people matter put for head. Or we don't know where for come. Oh, good. Hello. You understand? We don't know where for come for Benin. We don't know where for it not be Benin, not be Ishan. So we don't know where it for come for this thing where they say na Okonori. Abi what it not be Okonori. This where they call am. You get where that place when I call that I don't forget to. Okay. You understand? Not be Benin, not be Ishan. Oh. Now what is she find before all his sisters or a 20-year-old who are. Now you want support daughter. Now make the beat papa, make the carry papa come and make all the disgrace for her side. Lolekia agbon have my way. Oh, welcome Jare. Agbon have my Lolekia. But the sticky style of them, they say that they support before Uncle. But is you wear over Esther mama they has stand. Ima the Lakers on Esther mama now. She not fit do anything. Emi okparo no set you. She not fit do anything no. You tell you, is me we WhatsApp no. Is me we WhatsApp. I when now when one wa ko bojo ye kene na di mu fi bi soke amu ebo tie bone ebo biswa. Me na ebo biswa se bo edo. Me they cause that man. No. Agbon ma wa. Money je ma tie bona money ra ma tie bona agbon ma ka ma e wo monaka wa mu ebo gbe. Adia be gini. That one are your next generation. Now you be that one. So now be the team, my lovely people. So I just make I carry this message. I don't want to let her spend daybreak because Esther, he may make break or when Only your own, and you know. As you take day, now you know. You don't know as person take day. Me I show when if your parents can you make mash wet down with Germany now. If they use I take they look the rest of the house. You take they go party, they for press people picking. Allah, if you use me play. If me are you wear show example with Germany now. Every when a battle will be woman. Imana boy hands down. In fact, we forget to do. Metamu when. Allah, those bug in ami. We moto ijeni na ami. If na inside car, they wanna for sight to ya tori. Can me reaje me na begu we ye. We wa ale. Ya time ya we di kai. Ani ave ka me the reason why ni na gbuwe. You understand? Ya ave time the reason why ni na gbuwe be ka me the reason why me na mash words o agbe o. Tell your husband make he leave me alone. You say no. I know your husband. Wait, I'm that when I see more boy. He said, why me talk? Or where was the mena gua? Or is it biobe hania? If he is the body tight picking now, uma setting ya no fear of you make it till should three papa. That one cassava no the entire your two again. Maybe now the third man now when the cassava still long, now go for consider time because you don't fat full everywhere. A cassava Jerry Hila wo he now another man na cassava will go find Bible. Ima wa gwale Bible kaye kiae because I'm not kind Bible you ma show ye la we buwe we nyeke ime nyeke. Tell your husband we not they follow me for story. Anytime I put picture, if they follow me, she say which right me get when me take talk. Allah, one for you to talk that word, he must to buwe. I don't feel they tell you. He must to mash words. Menu webe glide this, menu ya can be glide this, una webe glide this, when they glide this, I'm a picture of that for you. Now you are glide this now, the muyo mure. Now you send them, make they do evil when they do. Walking out your yajo, Germany man. Walking out your yajo. Walking out a passport to a benu woman, my young winner there. Nothing you be where ya. Where a be raw, no more wait to say, no me wait, no me respect. A passport raw, no me. Ne respect je passport run and respect. You don't know the difference. And when I get be Germany, opa e go who am me Germany because why a big game sabi use document the lab people. You know say German document not be the same. Now different type, different grade, you know. Go reach the passport when they talk. Different grade 9 still be. Who hold passport now for how many years and work you know work not to use your passport. Is 0/100 still waiting for government to come and feed you. So you cannot use that kind of passport to compare who do they pay tax long time and who the when the government recognize. All where you 24/7 sit down for us, they wait for John Center, make us put. Make the put for me that they pay us rent for no power any. Now let that one. Now let that one I should know. Just sit down for us. I got passport. Who have got document can't even get used to. You can't even get used to it. Do you think it's by having passport? Having passport making you don't have good use of it. When you have a passport, you have bad record. They will write it there. When you see have passport, you have good name. It still adds to it. When man, any document you know now. You know how see everything they play. You understand? I got passport. Oh, nothing. Hospital, you not learn. You not learn hospital. You not go school. You not work. You see, sit down and be waiting for government to feed you, to give you. I'm already anywhere. Where tomorrow, see, I got passport. Try and use that to oppress me. Me I come when the me ya kulo bourgeois. Me I come when the me ya is so bourgeois. When nobody guy buefo. We got me we kaki no be letter. Iga bue. Oh, Sata City policeman. We got me we kaki letter. A shewo of Duisburg. Can you imagine? Tell your man. Thank God I put picture yesterday and I don't come. Me I not the lie. Fear not let her come view me. Me not view me. Now that one I don't want. Me not the come where I did. Me not the view me. Make it go. When I have view, man. I don't need that. Cause now you they send and come. So before Abraham, there were men. So me don't come tell you now. Say tell your man me not the view me. That time when they sit down for live video, go use and clean up. Use and dress yourself. Use and bath. Uhe no wear. Use and go to wash your bekus. use and take bath, use and take get the time, take plate of pikin hair. No, she not the get time. You go they come up for Facebook, you go enter YouTube, you go come up for YouTube, you go enter Facebook, you go come up for Facebook, you go enter YouTube, you go come. You need therapy. You need a treatment. You need a doctor. Even if they even give an appointment for doctor now, she not go even get time to go because of people matter when she carry put for head. You understand? You understand? No, how matter no hold on. He said, when me talk, that means message when they send your man gonna set up. Vera noga. Oh, so now set up. You wanted to set me up. Tell them me not they follow me. If not another one, then when you want here, where me or ya home. Only what I want. Tell your man not to follow me again for my story. Anytime I put picture like the one I put last night now in all boat come again. But if I were you, when I hear such message, now my man want talk to. Now my man go talk to. I don't understand. Just look at some videos when I see now when they be say for France, my people. There's some women did this gem. Now maybe they talking. Ask me this, so not be say I dey rake or I dey brag. You know, they say the way you lay your bed, that is how you lie on it. I dey talk am. Oh, no, we are back in me with that my boy. Woman go say, he go see me for run and say he want wage me. He man go hands down we get me. Because my body they hot. For you to beat me as a woman, say, even though now nothing, where you be me, why high cocoa be me. If now one of your hand, I'll make sure say I shop and finish. He make sure read the UFO. Hospital and I hearing. Oh God. There's one video that just came up. Is it not there yesterday in Spain? I mean France. They said this boy, this girl, he get one pikin. The pikin they kid have it's like I have the video here. The pikin they kid have wagon. So trolley when they carry pikin so it's like about 3 girls, I be 3 girls or 4. They can't wait the girl, they can't wait for this lady. Now many of them don't see the video now. So the girl come waka come. They can't ask the girl question. It's like one of them he born for the man. So but he born for the man. But I say yeah, the man not there again. But he born for the man. Maybe he get quarrel when they quarrel, I don't know. So at the time now, if I say that the other girl, whether he know the man or whether he don't know him, that one don't know. Whether they call the friend or they not friend, maybe they just see each other, they snap picture together. Now the girl can't post them. That is the one way carry pikin for trolley can't post the picture. So when he post them, the other one will say he born for the man, he can't see the picture. No, he said that day again, no, he said they're not there for since how many months, I be a year, yeah, the man not there, they're not they talk, something like that, they explain, no. So as this one post the picture now, he say which rights that girl gets to post in my picture. If not two, then I don't are different. If not there, you only there you ask question. What it happen? Maybe if not your friend, you ask. So they call they ask this girl question. The girl now don't they fear because he don't know say they go beat him. Understand? So the girl come begin they explain to they say he don't know, but he don't beg and I bet the girl bring her voice down. Just that because that those 3 I be 4 girls when that lady when he born for the guy man so he bring about 3 girls follow body come. You as a woman, you will strong. You want go deal with woman like you. Why you go pack woman follow body? Now this one me they talk. You as a woman, you want go as in you want go talk to a woman like you. You they pack girls they follow body. Like really? Oh. They say nas they look person, now they ask say Madam, 30 is there your load. Depends on how you tell the waka cook. They say, Madam, 30 is there your load. Me na go man, me na me I know where they gwiro here. So the girl can begin the fear. It already they shake for months. So they come they ask her question. She can't get to the explain to them. So after set her done, my people, what it happen? Do you know what your job come? I not even sure whether not the one. I'm not sure saying that the one way be saying if you get the husband. If I say our friend. They all begin they mash this girl hands down. They mash at one extent, even picking when that woman carry come, they cry. Cry to an extent, they carry this girl, they naked her for street of France. Like really? You see what we are talking about? We will see some of our guests now to fuck us have and they get for streets. Woman like you, even though not 4, even though they be 4, there is something called you want to defend yourself. There is something called uya defend the bue. Alright, meno. Me what your pabu way. Me I dako job, but because if you know they blow, you go they slap. Not they slap, you go they tit now. For I said they were tira before we attack you, but at the time you the fear don't already enter your body. They don't know say you don't the fear. My dear, boy dear. When me watching now, women when you back and me would say, oh dear, they carry this girl come. The one we call pay me pass for all. Even if this girl even carry your man say vandalizer, it doesn't reach that extent for the Peking present and naked this woman for the street of France. Man, I will learn that. They you carry this girl. They you carry her. They come and oh, don't spoil it. No. Give it to me. Oh, don't spoil it, please. For the buy I know you. Hey, please, God. You understand? They can't begin match this girl, my people. They match her. Like I said, tomorrow, not day. They carry it. Not because they even remove his shirt. He can't remember maybe pants and bra. No. They naked this guy. They remove his pants. They remove it every boy for a body. Like really? After they don't mash and finish, the woman won't cut off. Hey, I'm gonna leave her. I don't know they go anywhere. I don't know if you can put me for trouble. Like seriously? Oh, Baba. Oh, Baba. Now she got the tell say, Mona not put me for trouble. Mona not buy. Mona not buy. So you know, say me they not buy. Now you pack them follow body because they mash that girl. They mash her to an extent. The pikin come they cry. Oh, that one I pay me. In the presence of that pikin, the presence of the pikin, they naked that woman. The pikin come they cry. My dear, everyone a bad side. I will not die, but the boy. Irwa, meme. Oh, what we women we am the I boy. Oh, but the guy said, I see you will be me like really. I got seen you will be me. I make sure you. Ije, oh Baba, in you, because of Balekbene not save Kenije for 3 people to come to attack only me one. Okay, a honey is usual period. Because the fear don't already enter the game, but the game not even do anything. I beg go, it good, me woman. If you not dead blow, you go dead teeth. Not dead teeth, you go dead pitch. He said that one if he hold that yesterday. Even though they mash you, now they call say sometimes you resist something. Even though the rest they pan beat you for back, but make sure that first one that come first. That in hand, make sure say Ogbalekbo do here you no worry. Ogbalekbo do here you no worry because you don't have any blame here because you want to defend yourself. So people don't know anything for abroad. As far as it comes to defend, what defend the boy? Or when anything or he go, ya defend the boy. Gyogbalekbere, na si legbe ahia. Oh, they mad this girl hands down. They naked down. Oh, Baba. They naked down. I say tomorrow, not day. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. Like really? Like really? You see? Like really, they all do that girl small pikin something. They all gather mash that girl. When I see the video, I say, oh, the one we call me pan at the pikin. The pikin even they cry. Nobody even carry the pikin. The pikin they cry for them. Like really? Agbelegboa. Everywhere na bata man. Everywhere na bata. Those of this fool when be say you don't get shame for eyes. So no, you don't need to. As it don't come like that, there be 4, there be 2, there be 3, there be 4. You don't need to be scared or say, oh, I dey fear. No, my lady. As far as you we make sure where hold one. Make sure say you hold one ransom. That one go dey shout for them. You go dey shout, he go dey shout. Where I go, you gotta go. You go dey shout, he go dey shout. When down go the shout say mado dik me abona no de eju nu we are what de eju nu wa alwe oh baba put am for your mat we wa twist we wa go don't bother we wa bother is singing on Latin abo make sure who you is gboloko yes ogbalegbe ga ire ni en no nu you are when wetin akoko gbo no bu we ti wa wo we defend the gbo you know it's called self defense who defend the gbo but they just see the girl oh if they do like this forget breast and TOT they say na wrong way not reach wrong na woman for the use her the whole body when it now comes to that kind extent you don't need to call it oh na make they can't get disease say we have the right now to disgrace her to naked her. When you not care anything when they your body, even though not go there your neck or on that spot, make sure you first of all defend yourself first. Forget clothes the one if you hold one, they not go see chance stay naked you again. Now that one she don't know you that day. Oh, when I drop past you, when that one they cry. If na a toy where that you na akpole to squeeze and put on for oh my god, some people don't know how far. If you know, say people don't too much shoe like that, they want gather. If now one, make sure so you put her for under your armpit. If you do a twist hand like this, where what twist is jere, baba, organo. Oni, iwa below hojo, what that one. Oh, what now they give a punk for the you gotta go, mega go, is jere. Mega opinion, yet is jere. The rest of the year better to where you lay. When you have to do, you went there, one call gather mash. You can't see all of them, they will run leave you for them. They go run leave that one. Say that one say go they shout help. They go do like this, they'll piatti. So because they see say that girl was so scared, they not have the chance and the opportunity to mash her like that. Yes, they don't have the chance and the opportunity to mash her. Although it's a very painful thing, though. The one will just pay me pass when they naked down and for the presence of the pikin. That one I pay me well. Ije wa wu meme Esther uwe meme we dan mi meri. You understand? Uwe tu kiza ukolo ma won se me ma e don wan wu me ma e don ma da don wan wu iga we me so igwogwo we fe uzuo me we ajako use me play. Use me play. You understand? So that is called self-defense. No, you live like that. You live and make it just the. No. What is it? Wait. So now I be the team, my beautiful people. So when I me tell and make it leave me for waste. I tell me how. Only my way me man should wait time. I want me gba wa get time. It's not a crime. Oyibo they get down. Celebrity said they get down. When you understand? No, I don't have that patience of can't see me finish. Waiting me for Esther. Esther can't excite. No, if you can't see me finish, can't use me turn your smelly bekus hair. The remaining small hair when you remain for your bekus. Now me walk out the cleaner. I time a boy ye time I when you not try me. No, say person they talk to them now. Say person they joke. I damn it boy again. But you see what I will do you. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Also, I'm back to go now. So we'll see you maybe tomorrow, guys. Oh yes, my people. So, oh mommy Omorige, thank you, my beautiful mommy. Now I be the team, my people. No, when you give people chance, they will like to create chances. Me, I already made one. Me, I don't want makaba. Me, I don't want who. That spot, me show you kulo bourgeois. He has some bourgeois. I don't get that song. I don't balegbe no ma here. That family cafe me. Police or balegbe. Let's go there. Who do any I go see anyhow? Maybe walk back to a shoot them mama fly. I don't get that time. Esther. No use me reason all those people. I go to Lusha you. Even though I'm president of Papa, I go mash shoot down. No be yeah Allah. Yeah Tore. Come out my name for Vera. No, it's not by coming out to the record. Or when I president of balegbe. President of police Igboe. Igboe. Eboe de afia my female do women. No, some people they are here, not theirs. Me we are do queer rubbish. Hands down. Thank you, my lady. Bye bye, ma. Igwe, hands down. You and the no get matter that they don't go station. Wrong go for my own. You tell me where I did imana boo at the boo hands down with me. I share what those book. Better tell your husband not to follow me again. Period. I have my right to say what I don't want. Iyoko no what don't know. Tell your husband to stay away from me. Period. Tell your husband to stay away from me. I don't want him anywhere around me. I don't need your my picture or anything about me. I don't need that. So don't let that one be headache for you to understand. And they talk about problem now. They don't want to call you in order to warn you. Say, tell your husband to stay away from me because he got buesta. Who are you, mume? Come on, make a So guys, thank you very much. I'm about to go now. Thank you guys. Bye.